Okay, so an arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic is the operation. Arithmetic is what describes the type of sequence, okay? So there's geometric and there's arithmetic. So this is an arithmetic sequence. And the first thing that we're going to start with is the common difference. And that is an increase or decrease of a constant rate. And if you see the D, it means common difference. And I'm going to teach you how to find the common difference, and then we're going to determine whether it's an arithmetic sequence or not. Okay, so we're going to find the common difference, and then I'm going to tell you how to find the nth term. So you guys want to let's do the common difference first, and then we'll find the nth term, okay? So example 1. Determine whether the sequence is arithmetic. Now, how we do that is by finding the common difference. If it doesn't have a common difference, then it's not an arithmetic sequence, okay? So we're going to do this in 2 parts. So we're going to have example 1A and example 1B. So we're going to look at 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. So to determine, I'm going to show you in the notes what you have to do when you're determining whether it's an arithmetic sequence. So you're going to start with the n number. So you're going to start over here, no matter what. You never start at the beginning. Even if this number is smaller than the one at the beginning, you always start here. And we're going to do 11 because that's the one it starts with, minus 9. And 11 minus 9 is 2. So we want, if this is truly an arithmetic sequence, when we do this, they should all equal 2. So now we're going to start with 9 minus 7. And then we're going to do 7 minus 5. And then we're going to do 5 minus 3. And then we're going to do 3 minus 1. So see how all of these are the same? Then that means yes. It is an arithmetic sequence. And remember up there I said what is D? D means the common difference. So what is D? D is 2. Because they were all 2, that's our common difference. So that's one of the things that you have to be able to do when you do these. Okay, so now we're going to do B. Okay, so here we go. So remember what I said. We're always going to start with this number. So negative 8 minus negative 4. Well, minus a negative is a positive. So negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4. Because this is negative. Then it's going to be negative 4 minus 0, which is negative 4. 0 minus 4, which is negative 4. And then 4 minus 8, which is negative 4. So is this an arithmetic sequence? Why did she say yes? They all equal negative 4. Now, you guys, if you're trying to prove if it's an arithmetic sequence, you have to do all of this, okay? If I already tell you it's 1, you don't need to do all of that. Okay, so yes, this is an arithmetic sequence. Okay, And what is my D, which means common difference? So D means common difference. And what is my D? It is -4. So that's the first part. Determining if it's a sequence and defining the common difference. Okay? Oh, I have one more for you. Oh, look at that. Let's do this one. Okay. So what am I going to start with? 81 minus 27, which is, do you guys do it on your calculator?
It is 54.
Okay. Then we have 27 minus 9, which is
13.
9 minus 3.
6.
No, you're thinking multiplication. And then 3 minus 1. Are these the same?
No.
So is this an arithmetic sequence? No. It is not an arithmetic sequence. Okay. Guys ready for the next part? Okay, so I'm going to let you guys copy this, and then we're going to talk about what I wrote up here, and then we'll talk about this. Okay. Okay, so the n. See where it says n right here? That n is the term you're looking for. So if they say I'm looking for the 20th term, you would put 20 right here and you would put 20 in for n. So whatever term they tell you you're looking for, that's the number you put in for n. A1 is the first term in the sequence. So it doesn't matter what sequence, whatever sequence you have, look at the first number they give you and that's what you put in for A1. You don't write A1, you guys, you replace A1 with the number. And then D is the common difference. You will always have to find the common difference. Very rarely are they going to give it to you. And that's what we just did. You know, by that subtracting method, that's what we're going to do. You only have to do it once because if they say, hey, we want you to find the nth term, they're telling you that this is a sequence. All you have to do is subtract the first one and that's your answer. Okay, so there's two types of problems. One, that they want you to find the next three terms, in which this is this example. And then where they say, hey, we want you to find this specific term, and we'll do this, okay? So let's do A. We're going to do example 2A. I have 9, 13, 17, 21, and 25. And they want you basically to find the next three terms. Now, you don't necessarily, because they're telling you find the next three terms of each arithmetic sequence, what that's saying is, hey, this is indeed a sequence, so find the common difference and then find the next three. So what is my D? How do I find my D? It's already an arithmetic sequence, so we don't have to go through everything. How do I find my D? Take the first number, 21. I shouldn't say the first number. The last number that you see in the sequence by the next one. And so my D is 4. Okay, so I need to find the next 3 terms. So I'm going to take 25. That's the last term that I see. And I'm going to add 4. Well, what is 25 plus 4? Yep, it is 29. Then I'm going to take 29 and I'm going to add 4 again because my common difference is 4. So that means I'm adding 4 each time. So what is 29 plus 4? Okay. And then it becomes 33 plus 4, which is... So my next 3 terms are 29, 33, and 37. Now, you guys, if that was -4, you would have added -4. Your numbers would, instead of increasing, they would have decreased. Okay? So just remember, you always add that term. Okay, I want to find my next 3 terms again. So what's the first thing that I have to find? If I want to find my next 3 terms, what do I have to do first? Go ahead. Last number, and what am I finding? What is that?
The common difference.
So I'm finding the common difference, which is D, and I'm going to do 47 minus 41, which is 6. So that means I'm going, since it's positive, it means I'm going to add 6 to everything. 47 is my last number that I see in the sequence, so I'm going to do 47 plus 6. 47 is the last number, 6 is my difference. 47 plus 6 is 53. Then I take the 53 and I add 6, and what do I get? And then I do 59 plus 6, and what do I get? 60 what?
5.
Yep. Okay, now example 3. We're going to do a couple different things. So we're going to write an arithmetic sequence equation. Oh, thank you. We're going to write an arithmetic sequence equation. And then we're going to write, then we're going to find the common, well, we need to find the common difference, and then we're going to find the nth term. So we're going to do 2 different things for this, okay? And then we're going to find okay. So 2 parts. So to write an arithmetic sequence equation, the first thing we have to do is we have to find the first term and the common difference. That's what we need, okay? So how do you find the common difference? Let's find the common difference first. So we're going to do -10 minus -7. So when you guys figure that out, let me know. Okay, so my D is -3. What is my A1? So that is, remember A1 means my first term. So what is my first term? Yep, -1 is the first number in the sequence.
Attention teachers, please pardon the interruption. Teacher.
The only thing I need you to do for this particular problem right now is just write the equation. So I don't know what term I'm looking for, so it's just going to stay a to the n. When I don't know what term I'm looking for, you just write in there, okay? Now it says, what is the first term? Our first term is -1 plus, inside, you guys, it's always n minus 1. And then we're going to write our common difference, which is -3. You guys, if your common difference is a negative, you really need to put it in parentheses. Because if you don't and you put it behind the parentheses, it looks like -3 instead of times 3. So times -3. So that's the equation. Remember when I asked you to write an equation? It says write an arithmetic sequence equation. That's it. Notice the n stayed because I don't know what term I'm looking for. So we'll pick this up tomorrow, okay, you guys?